I'm so nervous.
Totally get that.
Just do it. Just do it.
Hello everyone, happy February. Happy Lunar New Year to those who celebrate. I'm wishing you all a very healthy, happy, and prosperous new year, and I'm wishing you all the good luck and good fortune for the year to come. But welcome to the new vlog. Today is already Thursday the 3rd. A few updates. I recently launched my new digital products for 2022 up on my blog. So I have some desktop and mobile calendars. So if you're interested, go ahead and visit the link below. That will take you to my website, and you guys can check out the products there.
Hello everyone, happy Friday. I am very well rested today. I meant to take a bubble bath last night after dinner, but I was so tired, so I was like, let me just take a little nap and then I'll hop in the bath. I ended up waking up like close to midnight, but I laid in bed and decided today is the day I'm gonna cut my own curtain bangs. I'm so nervous. It's gonna take me a while to cut my bangs because I'm so nervous. So I'm gonna put the Olaplex number 3. This is their hair perfector, but it basically helps like strengthen and bond your hair. Thought I would be like productive and multitask as I attempt to even out these bangs. Since I started to get curtain bangs, it's usually like right above my nose, but today we're only going to the nose. We're just gonna try a few inches, like probably that much, and we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Let's do it long. Overextend, Nika, overextend. Oh my god, just do it. Just do it. Okay. Oh my god, I did it. I did it. Connecting it. It's not very even. I cut this way shorter than this side, so I'm just gonna clean that up. Oh my god, it's so short. Frick. It's so short. I asked my mom to help me, but she said I need to learn how to do it on my own. So here I am, cutting in front of the mirror. I'm just gonna do it at an angle. Do it at a... Not bad. Look at that. That's not bad. I'm pretty proud of myself. It should have been at my nose. But this is where I would have asked like my hairdresser to cut it, so. I totally forgot about vlogging what the final hair looked like. I did pretty good in blending, I just want to say, because look how it just kind of falls into my layers over here. I'm very proud of myself. So this is the hair. I ended up curling it just because with fresh hair, my hair was like really poofy, so I thought putting texture to it would better, but I am so proud of it. I think I did pretty good for my first time.
I feel like it'll look better after like a week or two because my hair grows pretty fast. I think also doing the hair perfector earlier just gave my whole hair like a refresh. Like, look how shiny my hair is. Like, I did apply some like oil, but my hair looks pretty healthy, if I do say so myself.
Kind of pocket is the side of my whole hand.
Hello everyone, happy Monday. I just got back from working out, obviously. Did some errands. I went to Target because I'm actually headed to Mammoth again this weekend, so I wanted to buy some snacks and just some food for the week. I got these. I'm not gonna say it because this is actually for my brother and he's gonna know what this is and he's probably listening to me right now. Cheetos Extra Flaming Hots. The Lay's kettle cooked jalapeno chips. I got a small pack of the Go-Go Squeeze applesauce. Naked green juice. They had a sale on their steaks, so I picked some protein up for the week. I got some Eggo waffles because why not? I've just been craving like breakfast foods. Like, I also got Honey Nut Cheerios, my Oatly oat milk, and then I got a single avocado for breakfast. 2 new makeup brushes. These are from Real Techniques. First, this is the 402 cheek setting powder and highlighter brush. I love this brush. Tapered cheek. I'm not sure what number. Oh, 449. 2 of these Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in white on. I've been loving doing just like French tips because it's super easy and I look really put together. I also bought this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Like, let's throw it back to early 2009, 2010 when every beauty YouTuber used this. I saw Alicia Liu use this on her TikTok like makeup videos and it's so gorgeous. So I thought I would grab it again and just, you know, be nostalgic. I got a Bum Mineral Sunscreen lotion. Some of my favorite like hair elastics. This is the Invisibobble. This was originally $9 and I got it for $50. Like a gremlin. Happy Tuesday. It is 2/22/22, so it's a very magical, spiritual day. and I feel great. So I'm just trying to keep up this good energy, attract all the abundance, and yeah, it's a good day. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a life update. As many of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, I was having a bit of a rough January. For those that don't know, I quit my full-time job back in July to pursue content creation full-time. And to be fully transparent, it has not been easy. Don't get me wrong, I love this lifestyle. It's always been my dream to just film content like this in the middle of the day and go out and shoot with friends whenever I want. But in terms of financially and just the logistics of things, it gets really discouraging when you don't fit the ideal look that some brands are looking for. I've been trying to grow and elevate my brand in a very almost strategic yet fun way, and I see other people post whatever, don't plan, and just kind of do whatever for the clout. I hate to say it, and they do great, and it really gets discouraging because it makes me wonder why I'm putting all this effort and nothing's going my way. So my content moving forward will be focused on minimal, neutral aesthetic fashion. Of course, there's going to be some beauty and lifestyle incorporated with that, but fashion is like the main thing I'm going to be focusing on, at least for now. I want to stick to mainly vlogs over on this channel. Again, more casual and fun and kind of like a video diary, which is what vlogs are all about, am I right? As a wrap up, I'm doing a lot better. I'm excited for 2022. It's been great so far. It's been slow, but I've decided that's my new word for 2022. I want to be productive, have fun with my life, but really take things slow and enjoy every moment of it. If you're interested in seeing more curated fashion, lifestyle type of content, head over to my Instagram and my TikTok. But also, make sure you subscribe to this channel for just more casual, fun things and just a glimpse into my everyday life. And if you're interested in any social media help, I do still run my business, Socials by Nika, if anyone has like a small business that they need help managing their Instagram, Pinterest, editing podcasts, anything like that. So yeah, that is the current update for 2022, early 2022. I am done getting ready now, and I think I am gonna head out. Just adding a little powder, and I'm done. Happy Monday. I wanted to talk about this jacket that I'm wearing. I am so blessed to have an amazing boyfriend that gifted me the viral Lululemon Define jacket. I believe that's what it's called. I totally get the hype, guys. Like, look how great this looks. I see curves I never even knew I had. And it felt really great this morning when I had to leave and it's super windy today. It kept me really warm. So honestly, 10 out of 10. I think this would be great for like a hike or even like a snow layer. Like if you're gonna layer when you're gonna go like snowboarding or skiing, this would be a great like underlayer under like a snow jacket. I'm obsessed. I definitely want it in the white color, and maybe if they come out with a gray color, I would want that too, but so happy with it, and you're totally gonna see me wearing this like every other day, which is actually very necessary because I've been wearing that Target workout jacket like every single day for the past couple years when I work out, so this is a much needed change.